Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best all-season tires that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ever had your tires lose grip in sudden rain or slippery roads, especially during sharp turns or highway braking? That split-second loss of traction can turn into a serious safety risk, and most drivers don't realize their tires are the real problem until it's too late. This is the Continental ContiProContact all-season radial tire, 225/45 or 1791H, a premium touring tire designed for year-round comfort, stability, and safety. All-season performance, built to handle dry, wet, and light snowy conditions with balanced traction. Comfort-focused design, engineered to reduce road noise and improve ride smoothness on highways. Precision handling, responsive steering feel for better control during cornering and lane changes. Strong wet grip, specialized tread pattern helps channel water away to reduce hydroplaning risk. Durability, even tread wear designed for longer tire life and consistent performance. Speed rating H, up to 130 mph/210 km/h, suitable for everyday sedans and touring vehicles. Pros: smooth and quiet ride. Strong wet road stability. Comfortable for long-distance driving. Reliable brand reputation. Cons: not ideal for heavy snow or extreme winter conditions. Premium pricing compared to budget tires. Performance driving enthusiasts may want more grip-focused options. Perfect for daily commuter sedans. Highway drivers who value comfort. Families needing safe year-round performance. Drivers in mild or moderate climates. Not ideal for harsh winter regions. High-performance sports driving. At around $194 per tire, it sits in the premium range, but you're paying for comfort, safety, and long-term reliability, not just rubber on the road. Number 4. This is the Atturo Trailblade MTS Mud Terrain Off-Road Tire, 285/45 or 22, a rugged, aggressive tire built specifically for trucks and SUVs that need serious off-road capability. Mud terrain, M/T, design, deep, aggressive tread pattern built to bite into mud, dirt, and loose terrain. Strong off-road grip, large shoulder blocks improve traction on rocks, sand, and uneven surfaces. Heavy-duty construction, for ply load range XL design supports larger SUVs and pickup trucks. High load capacity, rated up to 2,601 pounds per tire, ideal for heavy vehicles. Stable highway performance, despite its aggressive tread, it still maintains decent stability on paved roads. Bold sidewall design, black sidewall, BSW, with rugged styling for an aggressive off-road look. Pros: excellent mud and off-road traction. Tough, durable construction for heavy vehicles. Aggressive styling improves vehicle appearance. Good load-bearing capability. Cons: noisier on highways compared to all-terrain tires. Reduced fuel efficiency due to heavy tread. Not ideal for smooth city-focused driving. Wear may be faster if mostly used on pavement. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts and adventure drivers. Pickup trucks and lifted SUVs. Drivers who frequently go through mud, sand, or rough terrain. Not ideal for daily city commuters. Highway-only drivers looking for comfort in silence. At around $204.93 per tire, it offers strong value for a true mud-terrain off-road experience, especially for drivers who prioritize durability and grip over comfort and noise. Number 3. This is the BFGoodrich Advantage T/Sport LT all-season tire, 235/55 or 18, a dependable all-season tire designed for light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. All-season versatility, built to perform in dry, wet, and light winter conditions. Confident handling, stable cornering and responsive steering for SUVs and crossovers. Comfort-oriented ride, designed to reduce road vibration and improve driving smoothness. Reliable wet grip, tread pattern helps channel water for better hydroplaning resistance. Long tread life, even where design improves durability for daily driving. Speed rating V, up to 149 mph/240 km/h, supports higher speed highway stability. Pros: balanced performance for everyday driving, comfortable and quiet on highways, good wet and dry traction, strong brand reliability in LT tire segment. Cons: not designed for heavy off-road use. Snow performance is limited compared to winter tires. Slightly pricier than entry-level all-season options. Perfect for daily SUV and crossover drivers, highway commuters, families needing safe year-round driving, light truck owners who stay mostly on road. Not ideal for off-road drivers, extreme winter conditions. At around $165.09 per tire, it offers strong value in the mid-range all-season category, combining comfort, safety, and durability, making it a solid long-term choice for everyday SUV use without going into premium pricing. Number 2. This is the Accelera M/T01 Mud Off-Road Light Truck Tire, LT265/65 or 17, a heavy-duty mud-terrain tire built for tough trucks that need extreme off-road performance. Aggressive mud terrain design, deep, wide tread blocks for maximum grip in mud, dirt, and loose terrain. Extreme off-road traction, built to handle rough trails, rocky paths, and deep off-road conditions. Load range E, 10-ply rated reinforced construction for heavy-duty light trucks and SUVs. High load capacity, supports up to 3,086 pounds per tire, ideal for hauling and towing. Very deep tread, 19-30 seconds helps maintain grip in soft and muddy surfaces. Durable sidewall, designed to resist cuts and damage in rough environments. Pros: excellent mud and off-road traction. Strong load-bearing capability for heavy trucks. Very durable construction for harsh conditions. Aggressive off-road appearance. Cons: loud on highways and paved roads. Reduced comfort for daily driving. Lower fuel efficiency due to heavy tread. Not ideal for city-focused use. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts and adventure drivers. Work trucks used in rough terrain. Drivers who frequently go through mud, gravel, or rural roads. Not ideal for daily city commuters. Highway-only or comfort-focused drivers. At around $168.39 per tire, it offers strong off-road value for heavy-duty performance, especially for drivers who need durability and grip in extreme terrain without paying premium brand mud tire prices. Number 1. This is the Mickey Thompson Street Comp 285/35 or 1999Y, ultra-high performance street tire built for sports cars and aggressive road driving. Ultra-high performance, UHP, design, built for maximum grip and responsive handling on paved roads. Asymmetrical tread pattern, improves cornering stability and high-speed control. Speed rating Y, up to 186 miles per hour/300 kilometers per hour, designed for serious performance driving. Strong dry traction, optimized rubber compound for aggressive acceleration and braking. Wide contact patch, enhances road grip during hard cornering and lane changes. Sport-tuned construction, designed for performance cars and modified vehicles. Pros: excellent dry grip and cornering performance. Very high-speed stability. Sharp steering response. Premium performance feel. Cons: not ideal for rain-heavy or winter conditions. Faster tread wear due to soft performance compound. Higher price compared to regular street tires. Road noise can be noticeable. Perfect for sports car owners, performance and modified car enthusiasts, drivers who prioritize speed, grip, and handling. Not ideal for daily comfort-focused commuters, snow or all-season use. At around $336.79 per tire, it's a premium performance investment, offering top-tier grip and high-speed capability for drivers who want track-like responsiveness on the street. If you want maximum street performance, check the link in the description for the best deals. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more tire reviews and comparisons. Comment your car and I'll suggest the best tire for it.